Hello, everyone. Welcome to the VisualSonics virtual workshop From Brain to Belly.
We believe an important part of our mission is to provide a platform to connect scientists from around the world in the spirit of learning and best practice sharing.
You can clearly see a deficit in the signal in the top brain because of the lack of perfused Evans blue reaching that location.
Been explored using photoacoustic imaging, and I think it's a very promising way to get at that in vivo time scale for the hemodynamic changes.
We're looking into using photoacoustics and blood flow through the major arteries of the brain.
With any of our 3D scans, you can easily reconstruct it on the system.
And you can also see that we're able to get pulse stopper measurements out of these animals here if you look at the image on your right.